Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I talk about how to find area of circle in C language. So let's see what is the coding for this program. Here I put a comment that I wrote area of circle. First we have to declare a header file, as I said, include stdio.h. Then a main function, int main. Then open second bracket. We declare a in variable in r, and then we asking for radius. Printf enter a radius we are storing the value into R. And also we have to declare a variable that is float or double. Float or double, more or less same. Double area. That's the variable is area. So here I write area equals to, we know pi r square. The area of circle is pi r square, and the value of pi is 3.14 or something. I write area equals to 3.14 into r into r. So you see here pi r square. Now just print the area of the circle is percentage is and last we have to return 0. Let's see. After running this program, enter the radius, something is 2. The area of circle is 12.5600. So first we are declaring one in variable r and one double variable. Double means where we store a fractional value, like as float. So double, and the variable is area. Then we are asking for from user to enter the radius, and we store the radius into r. So the value of radius into r. Then area equals to pi into r square, r into r. Then we are just printing the area. I think you understand this program. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.